e don burst. Yes, e don burst everywhere, don burst for Anambra State. Despite the fact say we dey shout say make anybody no collect bribe again from all these politicians, despite the fact say all of us dey shout say we dey look for ways to make sure say our vote count, to make sure say we elect some kind of people wey be say if it represent us well. Camera don catch PDP members for Anambra State. I no con know, maybe na by force dem dey enter power or by, I no understand. If people like you, dem go vote for you. This video wey be say I wan show you, the thing dey vex me very very well, because I no know wetin dey do our people. I no understand. If you see how PDP for Anambra State dem dey share, wetin dem dey share na malt o, drinks dem dey share with 200 or 400 now with pure water and biscuits. Dem dey give them ahead of Saturday election for Anambra State, say make dem vote for them. There is one young boy there wey be say dem no give that drink because say the guy too small and the guy no get voters card. In case you never watch the video dey circulate for social media wey be say where PDP dey bribe people to vote for them. Dey bribe people with malt and pure water and money to vote for them. Abeg, make you watch am. Despite all the talk wey people dey talk since, despite all the preachings wey people don dey talk and say make una no dey collect bribe from all these politicians, no dey collect anything from them, people still get strong head. Some people get block head. Some people get block head. Imagine this kind thing now, because of now you can't dey sell your vote now for months. Drinks wey be say within 2 minutes you go finish am. Drinks of 250 you go finish am within 2 minutes, and 200 say you go use buy bread. That bread sef you no fit chop am throughout the whole day, and pure water and biscuits. You can't stay your vote, you can't stay your rights because of food. You can't become like Esau wey sell him birthright because of porridge. I don't blame you now. I don't blame you. These politicians, they keep using the same tactics, the same procedure to buy us. Imagine if you can't vote them finish and they not do the right thing. We say they supposed to do. Go they shout say the federal government or the government they don't do something. Meanwhile, you don't collect bribe from them. Imagine. More tell me now, you think say when this man when they give you malt and everything enter now, you think say he no go remove the money wey be say he use do campaign, he no go remove am from your head? Okay, you think am so. One mumu girl see they lay down, they give you malt. You see what? You see they lay down, they lay down, they collect malt and 200 naira from all these politicians. They collect them. I know understand. These are our people. Seriously, our matter don't tire us for this country. It be like say our mumu never do. Our mumu never. And we go dey blame the federal government. Every day say, hey, federal government, oh, you don't do this, so our governor, oh, you don't do this, so. What thing we say they do? Corruption say they our own mind. Which is this? Corruption they our mind. Imagine youth they there, youth say they collect bribe. Imagine this kind of country. I met with someone last 2 weeks. Person talk and say, if politician give am money, say he could collect and na him right. Imagine, na him right. He go collect and she suffer for another 4 years. Imagine this kind of thing. People say that they use buy 4 years from them. I don't understand. See now like this poverty or hunger they catch people rich. I don't understand. When we agree say poverty day, when we agree say this day to Nigeria, hunger day for this country, but hunger no fit catch you reach one extent. Maybe say na pure water and biscuit with and 200 go now solve the problem. You know fit chop and throw. You know wetin dem give those people. They no fit chop and throughout a day. They no fit chop and throughout a day. If you want collect money, collect money. Maybe say you go spend for like a week. You go know say okay, I go suffer for the next 4 years, so at least I don't enjoy for 1 week. But wetin dem give them, they no fit enjoy am for 1 hour. They can still on the happy. That woman still on the need. That woman wey need am collect that thing dey vex me pass. She still come show respect, come dey kneel down. You dey show respect on top drink. They need that for politicians. They collect drinks and pure water and biscuit and 200 naira. Is this woman? If just you supposed to dey slap some citizens seriously. Our politicians at times no be their fault, because I know say they no use juju. They give them money. I no come understand why we people can't vote for who we think it is right until we collect something we say we go chop. Now this chop go kill us for this country. And this chopping go wound us for this country. This chopping say anything say we say must chop now him go wound us for this country. And we dey shout say we wan make Nigeria great. We dey shout say we wan make this country great. We dey shout say we no want all this we no want all this embezzlement to happen again. Imagine now, they collect mots. And some people still they laugh, some people still they kill, still they need that. And that they pay me. That they pay me very well. They need that they collect mot of 250. They need that they collect pure water. They need that they collect 200 naira. That woman supposed to collect slap. That woman when they dance supposed to collect slap. See that small boy. They don't give. If you talk now, so people talk say they give them as you say they give. Now that small boy, when we say the man no give and they ask for voters card, why no give am? Why no say the small boy no go vote for them? So they no give am 200 and the drinks they no give am. Imagine, no more imagine am. You see how they vex. This kind of thing they always dey vex for this country. I don't understand. Our mumu never do. Our mumu. Now we go to complain. Now we citizens go to complain. Say this thing life don't handle, economy don't bad economy don't worse too. If this person say you collect drinks for now, no can do the right thing for you. Now go to complain say the person no do good. Meanwhile you don't collect something. Then the thing when say you collect go the impact go the inflict sufferings on some other people. No be just at times you think say we deserve this thing say they happen. We citizens at times we deserve some things where they happen to us for this country. We deserve them. Still don't see. We see no wise. We no go. We no fit for the country. We no fit wise. We no fit wise. Suffering. People like say for this country, seriously, suffering they easily easily adapt to suffering. We easily adapt to suffering for this country. And we dey quick forget suffering. See how this woman they kneel down. This one be say only God knows when she don't drink this drink last. See how she dey down collect drink. She down collect. Only God knows when she don't drink that kind of product last. Only God knows. Imagine. See this don't they pay me very well. See how I dey sweat because of this kind of issue. I dey sweat under AC. Voila. And I'm like people. I no come know maybe some people know they. No wahala, we cannot talk too much. Maybe we see wetin go happen for Saturday. No wahala. If na one vote, I no go vote for am again. If you like say your rights, collect bribe from them and say your rights, na go suffer again for another 4 years. No wahala. Be like say suffering no dey tire us for this country. My name na MC Top Secret. And I say people, Saturday is your election. Make I see you. My next edition. Don't forget to follow my name na MC Top Secrets. See you in my next edition. I know say APC self go do their own too. Bye.